Emerging Practices in Assessment, Online and Participatory Assessment, CPS-2, for Odisha B.Ed Education Honours. Emerging Practices in Assessment, Online and Participatory Assessment. Introduction. Assessment means checking how much a student has learned or understood. In today's changing education system, new and modern methods of assessment are becoming popular. These are called emerging practices in assessment. Two important methods are online assessment, participatory assessment. These help in making evaluation more inclusive, continuous, flexible, and student-friendly, especially in India where technology and new policies like NEP 2020 are bringing big changes. एक online assessment. Meaning, online assessment means evaluating students' learning through digital tools or internet-based platforms like Google Forms, apps, or learning management systems. Features. Conducted through computers or smartphones. Can include MCQs, short answers, video-based questions, drag and drop, etc. Can be automatically scored. Accessible anytime, anywhere. Importance. Saves time for teachers and students. Gives quick results. Encourages use of ICT in education. Supports remote and inclusive learning, especially in rural India. Helpful during pandemics or emergencies, e.g., COVID-19. Examples in India. Diksha and Swayam platforms offer online quizzes. CBSE conducts sample online assessments. KVS, NIOS, and state boards have started using online testing systems. Use of Google Classroom, Zoom, and WhatsApp tests in rural and urban schools. Though participatory assessment. Meaning, participatory assessment involves students, teachers, and even parents in the evaluation process. It means learners are actively involved in understanding and improving their own learning. Features. Learners assess themselves, self-assessment, and each other, peer assessment. Focus on feedback rather than only marks. Helps in building confidence, communication, and critical thinking. Part of continuous and comprehensive evaluation, CCE. Importance. Make students responsible for their own learning. Encourages collaboration and teamwork. Helps teachers understand students' strengths and weaknesses. Useful in multi-grade and inclusive classrooms. Examples in India. CCE system by CBSE introduced peer assessment in group projects. NCF 2005 and NEP 2020 encourage participatory assessment. Activity-based learning in Tamil Nadu schools uses self and peer checks. Portfolio assessment, group work evaluation, reflection journals used in B.Ed. Programs and progressive schools. Benefits of emerging practices. Student-centered learning. Learners take part in their own progress. Flexibility. Time and place are not fixed. Transparency. Easy to track performance. Inclusivity. All learners can be evaluated fairly. Technology integration supports NEP 2020 goals. Challenges in Indian context. Digital divide. Not all students have access to internet or devices. Teacher training. Many teachers lack skills for online or participatory methods. Language barriers. English-based tools may be hard for rural students. Evaluation load. Participatory methods take more time and planning. Scope in Indian education. Under Samagra Shiksha, ICT and online tools are promoted. National Digital Education Architecture, NDIA, is being developed. B. Dotted. Inclusive education gets better with child-friendly participatory methods. Conclusion. The future of education in India needs assessment methods that are fair, inclusive, and skill-based. Online and participatory assessments are emerging tools that help to improve the quality of education and build a system where every child can learn and grow at their own pace. Assessment is not just about marks, it is about understanding, involvement, and improvement. Aspect